soya milk from beans and water only. Add 1 cup of dried soya bean in a glass jar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking carbonate. Now add 3 cups of water and soak it overnight. The carbonate is a tenderizer. It makes the dry bean soft. Now the next day, you're gonna look at both and see the difference. Wash the soaked beans thoroughly and pour in the coriander to drain out all the water. Now put them in the blender and top it with 1 liter of hot water. Turn on the blender and grind it until it's very fine. Now pour the milk into the filter to separate it in the manner that you see. You can put back the filtered soya into the blender and repeat the process 2-3 times. However, I like it thick and concentrated with flavor, so I'm just gonna press on it to get the most out of them. Now we're gonna get the stainless steel pot, which is non-toxic, and filter it again, but this time with cheesecloth. You can use also soft cotton fabric. This process will eliminate any small particles that is left in the milk. When done, take the cheesecloth and squeeze all the juice out of it. And now the pot is ready to go on medium-high heat until it boils. When boiling, you can sweeten your soya milk with anything you want. I chose to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir and let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Now your soya milk is done. Empty the hot soya into glass bottles. I like to recycle, so I use here 3 small bottles which I have. Wait for them to cool down and put them in the fridge. You can substitute soya milk for any milk recipe. But if you want to indulge yourself, just make yourself a hot foamy soya milk coffee.